Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Git tagging is a powerful feature that allows you to mark specific points in your repository's history as important. This is particularly useful for marking release points, v1.0, v2.0, etc., or significant changes. In Azure DevOps, you can use Git tags to manage your releases, and the process is similar to using Git in any other environment. What is Git tagging? Git tags are references that point to specific commits. Unlike branches, which are mutable and can change as you add more commits, tags are immutable snapshots of a commit at a certain point in time. There are two types of tags. One, lightweight tags. This is essentially a bookmark to a specific commit. Two, annotated tags. These are meant to be permanent and include a message, the tagger's name, and the date. Prerequisites. An Azure DevOps account. A Git repository set up in Azure DevOps. Git installed on your local machine. Steps to create and push tags in Azure DevOps. 1. Cloning the repository. First, you need to clone your Azure DevOps Git repository to your local machine if you haven't done so already. Bash. Git clone https://dev.azure.com/yourorganization/your project/_git/your repo. cd your repo. 2. Creating a tag. You can create both lightweight and annotated tags using the following commands. Creating a lightweight tag asterisk. Bash. Git tag v1.0. Creating an annotated tag asterisk. Bash. Git tag AV1.0 release version 1.0. Here, AV1.0 specifies the tag name. Release version 1.0 adds a message describing the tag. 3. Listing tags. You can view your tags using bash git tag. To see more details about a specific tag, you can use bash git show v1.0. 4. Pushing tags to Azure DevOps. By default, tags are not pushed to the remote repository when you push your commits. To push your tags to Azure DevOps, use bash git push origin v1.0. To push all tags at once, you can use bash git push tags. 5. Deleting a tag. If you need to delete a tag, you can do so with the following command. Locally asterisk. Bash. Git tag dv1.0. On the remote, Azure DevOps. Bash. Git push delete origin v1.0. Using tags in Azure DevOps. Once you have pushed your tags, you can view them in the Azure DevOps interface. 1. Navigate to your Azure DevOps project. 2. Select repos tags from the left-hand menu. 3. You will see a list of all the tags you have pushed. Additional tips. Use tags to mark versions before significant changes or after successful builds. Tags are useful for deployments. You can deploy specific versions by checking out the relevant tag. Consider using a consistent naming convention for your tags, example v1.0, v1.1, etc. Conclusion. Git tagging is a simple yet powerful feature that can help you manage releases and significant points in your project history effectively. By following the steps above, you can create, manage, and utilize tags within Azure DevOps to enhance your development workflow. Happy coding! Sure. Let's dive into Git tagging in Azure DevOps. Git tags are a way to mark specific points in your repository's history as important, usually used for releases. What is a tag? A tag in Git is a reference to a specific commit. Tags are typically used for marking release points, example v1.0, v2.0. There are two types of tags. 1. Lightweight tags. These are like a branch that doesn't change, they just point to a specific commit. 2. Annotated tags. These are full objects in the Git database, containing metadata such as the tagger's name, email, date, and a message. These are recommended for release versions. Why use tags? Versioning, easily mark releases or significant changes. Collaboration, helps team members understand the state of the project at a given point. Easier rollbacks, if you need to revert to a previous state, tags provide a clear way to identify that commit. Setting up Git tags in Azure DevOps. 1. Prerequisites. Ensure you have a Git repository set up in Azure DevOps. Clone your repository to your local machine. 2. Creating a tag. You can create tags using the Git command line or Azure DevOps interface. Using Git command line. Open your terminal and navigate to your local repository. You can create a tag using the following commands. Lightweight tag. Bash. Git tag v1.0. Annotated tag. Bash. Git tag av1.0 m release version 1.0. Here, A specifies that it's an annotated tag, and M allows you to add a message. 3. Pushing tags to Azure DevOps. After creating the tags locally, you need to push them to the remote repository, Azure DevOps. To push a specific tag. Bash. Git push origin v1.0. To push all tags at once. Bash. Git push tags. 4. Viewing tags. To see all the tags in your repository, use bash. Git tag. 5. Checking out tags. You can check out a specific tag to see the state of the repository at that point. Bash. Git checkout v1.0. Note, this puts you in a detached head state, meaning you are not on a branch. 6. Deleting a tag. If you need to delete a tag locally. Bash. Git tag dv1.0. To delete a tag from the remote repository. Bash. Git push origin delete v1.0. Example workflow. 1. Make some changes in your codebase and commit them. Bash. Git add. Git commit m add feature x. 2. Create an annotated tag for your release. Bash. Git tag av1.0 m release version 1.0. 3. Push the tag to Azure DevOps. Bash. Git push origin v1.0. 4. Verify that the tag is present in Azure DevOps by navigating to the Repos Tags section in your Azure DevOps project. Conclusion. Tags are a powerful feature in Git that help you manage versions of your code effectively. By using tags, you can mark important points in your project's history, making it easier to navigate and collaborate with your team in Azure DevOps. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions or need additional examples.